Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best home studio microphones you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best home studio microphones on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which home studio microphones are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Fifine Studio Condenser USB Microphone. The podcast microphone bundle, which includes a versatile and strong broadcast suspension boom scissor arm, provides excellent tools for recording your voice in a podcast or voiceover. The double pop filter has 2 layers of dissipation, reduces the rush of air caused by vocal plosives, and minimizes popping sounds that can harm your recording. It is suitable for both studio and home use. The streaming microphone for PC comes with an adjustable boom studio scissor arm stand with a heavy-duty combo attachment that combines a robust G-clamp and a removable desktop mount. With a fixed horizontal arm of 13 and a 30-inch reach. The low-profile, table-hugging design allows on-air talent to perform without being obstructed, whether podcasting or dubbing sounds for videos, using Discord voice chat or an online conference on Zoom or Skype. The vocal microphone, USB condenser mic for PC, has a tough build for long-lasting performance, a wide frequency response, and can withstand high SPLs with ease. Ideal for project or home studio work. For chatting, creating, and recording, the cardioid condenser capsule provides crystal clear audio. With a desktop mic boom arm stand and an 8.2 feet USB cable included, you're guaranteed to achieve great sounding results. Allows for simple setup. The USB studio microphone set allows for a simple plug-and-play connection to a computer or laptop for recording voices, podcasts, and Skype calls. Getting high-quality sound for your speech and computer-based audio recordings has never been easier. The scissor arm stand is built entirely of steel and is both solid and durable. It also includes a studio-grade shock mount, a double pop filter, a quality 8.2 feet USB cable, and a podcast PC gaming microphone. For details, let's watch more. Our second best home studio microphones is Blue Yeti USB microphone. Yeti has studio controls for headphone volume, pattern selection, instant mute, and microphone gain, giving you complete control over the recording process. Set up in seconds with the supplied desktop stand or immediately connect to a microphone stand or boom arm. This is a high-quality USB microphone that produces clear, powerful, broadcast-quality audio for music, podcasts, Twitch streaming, YouTube videos, and Zoom calls. Yeti makes it easier than ever to achieve excellent on-stream sound quality with increased broadcast vocal effects, complex voice modulation, and HD audio samples using advanced Blue Voice software. 4 pickup patterns provide tremendous flexibility, allowing you to record and stream in ways that would ordinarily necessitate the use of several microphones. With enhanced effects, advanced modulation, and HD audio samples, this microphone creates the perfect broadcast vocal sound and entertains your audience. Yeti, Yeti Nano, and Yeti X are all compatible with advanced Blue Voice. Please download Logitech's free G-Hub software to access Blue Voice. With its custom 3-capsule array, it produces clear, powerful, broadcast-quality sound for YouTube, game streaming, podcasting, Zoom calls, and music. Flexible cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo pickup patterns enable you to record in ways that would normally necessitate the use of multiple microphones. Headphone volume, pattern selection, instant mute, and mic gain give you complete control over the recording and streaming processes. With the adjustable desktop stand, you can pivot the mic in reference to the sound source to optimize your sound quality and track your speech in real time with no latency monitoring. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Pi-Lynth USB microphone. This condenser microphone features a professional sound processor and a 16mm mic capsule design that produces rich, detailed sound. Sample rates of up to 192 kHz 24-bit are supported. The mic's wide frequency response and high sound pressure level allow it to provide more natural and sensitive sound. Multi-purpose microphone. Recording microphone kit is offered in a high-quality metal rod body with a shockproof frame and an omnidirectional adjustable cantilever bracket with a secure C-clamp for easy installation and multiple angle adjustment. Microphone professional. The output of the streaming microphone is silent and noise-free while preserving optimum signal gain. Removable and portable. It is more ideal for a variety of settings. USB recording microphone that is ready to use. The built-in cardioid capsule can capture sound in front of the microphone, and the zero latency monitoring allows it to capture clear, smooth, and sharp sound while reducing background noise. To avoid distortion, polish your sound reproduction. This USB podcast dynamic microphone has a gain knob that allows you to freely adjust the microphone volume and sensitivity during the recording process to get a great sound. Turn the gain down to effectively reduce room noise pickup, and turn the gain up to make your sound more appealing. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Shure SM7B Vocal Dynamic Microphone. The SM7B's dynamic cartridge is smooth, flat, wide-range frequency response produces exceptionally clean and natural music and speech reproduction. Studio recording, home recording, podcasting, and streaming are all options. The SM7B is used by some of the world's best vocalists, podcasters, and streamers. The SM7B air suspension shock isolation and pop filter, used in the world's top podcasting studios, eliminates both mechanical noise and breathiness. So the words get through, but the rest is left out. Professional live streaming begins with a microphone that can capture exceptionally clean and natural sound reproduction of both music and speech. For decades, the SM7B has been a pioneer in such capabilities. The XLR connection, in conjunction with an audio interface, gives you more control over the sound, resulting in better overall sound quality. To achieve the classic warm and balanced tone most usually associated with the SM7B, at least 60 decibels of gain is suggested. The SM7B cardioid pattern is designed to reject off-axis audio, allowing you to sing or speak at a comfortable angle while capturing the sound with minimal coloration. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best home studio microphones list is Mauno XLR condenser microphone. This XLR microphone connects via a 98-in male to female XLR cable, and the ProGrade microphone wire is intended for microphones. Cardioid pointing can reduce noise pickup and provide an immersive recording experience. The vibration noise can be reduced by using a shock absorber. Wind and saliva interference can be reduced by using a pop filter and a windscreen cap. Custom-engineered low-mass diaphragm and built-in Big Dia 16mm condenser capsule provide longer frequency response and improved transient response. High SPL handling and a large dynamic range result in great versatility. This high-quality XLR microphone is great for podcasting, recording, streaming, vocals, and internet chatting. When utilizing the PM320S, you must first connect the microphone to a 48-volt phantom power audio interface or mixer or preamplifier so that it can function normally and provide a good audio experience. Higher-level microphone craftsmanship. The AU PM320S microphone employs high-quality materials to safeguard the microphone as well as the interior structure from damage. The adjustable scissors arm bracket is composed of a strong aluminum alloy structure. Enter your computer quickly with a 2-in-1 USB-C cable, which works nicely with most PCs, iPads, and tablets and requires no additional drivers or software. It's simple to get started with video content creation and social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitch. The Studio Dynamic microphone works well with Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. The PD100U is ideal for podcasting, recording, streaming, and so on. For details, let's watch more.